In this video, we're going to look into a few simple triggers for our Google Apps script. So to start with the onOpen function. So Google provides a few triggers that come with the default installation of the script editor, and one that is often used to add custom menu items or other scripts that you can trigger when a user that opens the file wants to trigger is the so-called onOpen function. So if we scroll a bit down into the documentation, Google says that the onOpen function is most commonly used to add menu items to Google Sheets. So as we have seen in prior videos, this is exactly what we have done as well. We've defined a function named onOpen, and this is actually used to get the UI and creating and adding menus and menu items. So I just wanted to show you that there are a few simple triggers. Next to that, there is an onInstall, onEdit, onSelection change, and other triggers available. Do have a look through this documentation. I will provide you with the link. This might be of interest at some point, but if you have any questions to it, especially around triggers, then just do let me know. And let's move on into the next video.